My brothers and sisters in Islam, wallah, sins, they damage the heart. Sins, they burn the heart. They make the heart black, dirty. Allahu Akbar. You know, if sins made the black stone black, you know the black stone that is at the Kaaba? Initially it was a white stone. When Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, سَوَّدَتْهُ ذُنُوبُ بَنِي آدَمَ, that the sins of mankind turned it black. Every time a person was to kiss this stone, over the many years, it became black from the sins of people. So if this is the effect sins had on a rock, imagine what effect it's going to have on the heart. But I give you hope. The black stone will always become black. It'll never go white again. However, your heart, if it's black, it still has the chance to turn white and pure and shiny and be polished. It has the chance. And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, إِنَّ الْعَبْدَ إِذَا أَخْطَأ, whenever the servant commits a sin or a bad deed, نُكِتَتْ فِي قَلْبِهِ نُكْتَةٌ سَوْدَاء, a black dot is etched and engraved in his heart. A black dot is drawn on his heart. فَإِذَا هُوَ نَزَعَ وَاسْتَغْفَرَ وَتَابَ, then this servant, this slave that committed the sin, if he was to stop the sin, abandon the sin, وَاسْتَغْفَرَ, and seek Allah's forgiveness sincerely, وَتَاب, and he repents to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by moving away from the sin, سُقِلَ قَلْبُهُ, his heart would become polished. Allahu Akbar. The black heart will become polished, meaning his heart will become clean and pure, and every single black dot that was drawn on his heart would be removed. All of it will be removed. Allahu Akbar. And I'm saying to you, fasting 3 days of every month cleanses the heart from all its evil deeds and evil qualities and evil doings. For we need to fast these 3 days. It will benefit you greatly on the day of judgment because it helps clean the heart, and a clean heart before Allah Azza wa Jal is what will benefit you.